Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is verb phrase 213. The verb phrase today is to patch up. Okay, we have 5 meanings and 5 uses today. All right, let's take a look at the first one. To give medical care to someone. Okay, the doctor patched up his wound. He got 7 stitches. So each time, if you got a cut or an opening and you had to sew, each one is a stitch. Or if you had a regular operation, the doctor had to cut you, that would also be stitches. So he patched you up. All right, number 2 here. To repair, mend, or service. Okay. They had to patch up that machine. It needed some parts replaced. Okay, good. Number 3 here. To restore a relationship that was damaged. She had a falling out with her friend. Yeah, if you have a falling out with somebody, you probably had a big argument. Maybe you stopped talking to each other for a long time. So she had a falling out with a friend. They finally got back together and patched it up 2 years later. So now, they returned to be friends again. Maybe they got past whatever problem they had. Okay, number 4 here. To repair in a hurry. If I drop this car off at 8 a.m., in the morning, can you have it patched up by noon, by 12 o'clock, in the afternoon? All right, and the second one here, I'll give you a couple of hours to patch it up. This might be at work. Maybe your boss wants you to fix something. And, he's giving you a time limit, so you're being hurried a little bit. All right, number 5 here. To cover up a hole in some material. All right, if you put a hole in the wall of an apartment that you rented, you will need to patch it up before you move out. Yeah, otherwise, I don't know, maybe, if you put down a deposit, maybe they may take more money than that really hole is worth. So basically, whatever kind of hole you put in there. Anyway, I hope you got it. Hope it's clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.